Launching the application will present a login screen where the user is required to enter valid user credentials. Optionally, the user can choose to change the connection settings, allowing to connect to an alternate database. After a successful login, the main window is displayed. The vertical tab on the left presents 5 distinct windows, each supporting specific features. The customer's window is divided into 3 sections: Top Menu, Search Grid, and Result Sets. By pressing the Create Customer button in the top menu, the user is presented with a dialog allowing customer creation. Here the user must enter all mandatory information regarding a customer indicated by a red border. Checking the Send Password checkbox will automatically mail the credentials to the customer. To find a specific customer, simply enter all known search criteria and press the search button. Double-clicking a given customer will redirect to customer details. The customer details window is divided into 4 sections: Top Menu, Customers Information, Services Performed, and Detailed Information. Pressing the Create Support Ticket button, the user is presented with a dialog. Here the user will enter the customer's query and the response given. Red borders indicate mandatory information, and selecting a given entry will display detailed information not provided in the list. To create a task, press the Create Task button and input the mandatory information. Expanding the task will display the task changelogs. Selecting a changelog will display the information in the detailed section. To add a changelog, simply double-click the entry and enter the mandatory information. To create a workshop ticket, simply redo the process as described in the task procedure. However, note that creating a workshop ticket gives the option to mail and/or print the receipt slips to the customer. The user will be presented with a dialog for creating an invoice or an informal offer by pressing the respective buttons in the top menu. The user must then enter all necessary information regarding the offer or the bill. Again, note the user has the option to mail or print the given document. Double-clicking the entry will allow for modifications of the document. The search window will allow for finding specific support tickets, tasks, or workshop tickets by given search criteria. Each window is divided into 3 sections: Top Menu, Search Criteria, and Result Sets. Additionally, the user can expand the result sets for detailed information. Double-clicking an entry will redirect to customer details for the respective customer. The Invoices window gives a financial overview within a date interval. The user selects the desired dates and clicks the search button. By double-clicking a given entry, the user is presented with a dialog displaying all information regarding the selected invoice. The total result of the date interval is displayed in the bottom. Finally, the user is able to export all the queried information to a .csv file, allowing for further processing in Excel. The administration window contains functionality for user and state creation, as well as settings for templated documents and emails. Creating a user is similar to that of creating a customer. However, it is necessary to assign the desired privileges. Each checkbox represents a functionality that allows create, edit, and delete operations within that subsystem. For example, checking the customer's checkbox will allow for customer creation, while an unchecked state will prohibit such action. The system allows for customization of states for supporting a generic workflow. The user is only able to create or disable ticket and task states. For example, creating a new task state will give the option to select the state when creating a task. The template settings window allows for modification of the documents used by the client. Each field here represents a physical property on a given document. Additionally, the user can opt to print a blank copy to verify the result. The mail settings window allows for the user to modify the templated emails. The system currently supports 5 different types of email. Both slips, invoices, informal offers, and customer credentials allows for the modification of subject and body of the email. Should an unfortunate event arise where the system experiences an error, this user will be alerted of such. This will allow the user to describe his recent actions, and as a result, an error report will be automatically sent to the developers through email. The error report will contain the user description and technical details such as stack trace, exceptions type, and so on.